Myself Pragati, student of Phase Trip studying at Amaraavathi College of Arts and Science. My expectation from Phase Trip campus was to train my mind and succeed my life in IT field. My mentors are friendly and they are helping me to improve my communication. And for the past 8 months, we have solved 300 plus questions in C language, and currently we are learning Java programming language. And I used to mug up my lessons in my school life, but now my mentors are providing practical knowledge to solve our programming questions. By this practical knowledge, I'm able to write my semester exams very clearly without mug upping the concepts. Our mentors are guiding us to grow ourselves very successful person. And we are now able to organize even by ourselves. I have experienced Microsoft AI tour in Bangalore. There I have learned the real world applications of AI. My mentors helped me to do the certificates in Microsoft. I completed 10 plus certifications. Without my mentors' guidance, I can't able to do this. We have worked hard for doing the 10 certifications, and after that hard work, I have gained an opportunity to visit Bangalore. I have done 945 LinkedIn certifications per day. I have planned 5 certificates, and the course duration is 32 minutes, and successfully I have completed 945 certificates in the past 6 months. All the certificates are related to communication, programming language, how to find error in a code.